Hi all, welcome back to JS Crafters World. Do like, share and subscribe. In this video, we'll be seeing how to make earrings using chandelier links. So first we'll check with the materials required. Here I am going to make 3 designs using chandelier links. So I have taken 3 designs of links. And then you will need head pins and eye pins. And then you will need jump rings. Here I have taken 4 mm open type jump rings. And for earrings, I am going to use ear hooks for one design and studs for other 2 links. And then for the hangings in the links, I have used drop crystals and then 4 mm crystals which is already made as hanging. And then you will need small type hanging beads. Here I have taken round type. You can choose any model of hanging beads. And then you will need a cutter and pliers. Here both flat and round pliers I have used. Now we will start with the design 1. Here I have used drop beads for the hangings and then studs for the ear back. So insert the drop beads into the head pin and then twist the head pin to one side, cut the extra and loop it back to the opposite direction. Now insert the links into it and tight the loop. In the similar pattern, attach the other crystal bead hangings we have taken. Here I have taken as a green, a yellow and a green for one link that I have chosen. So once both the hangings are done, we can attach the studs to it. So for this, open the jump rings, insert the chandelier links loop to it and also the studs loop to it and tight the jump rings. So now making the design 2. For this I have used 4 mm crystal beads. So open the jump rings and insert the links, one hole of the links into it and then insert the crystal bead in a hanging that we have taken and tight the jump rings. Similarly, you have to do to the other crystal beaded hangings that we have taken. So once both the chandelier links are ready with the hangings, next you can attach the ear hooks to it. So open the ear hook ring and then insert the chandelier link to it and tie the ear hook. Now making with the third design. For this design, I have taken a chandelier link which has 2 loops on it on the top, that is called as a Chandabali type. Open the jump rings, insert the jump rings into one loop of the link and then insert the ball bead to it and then tie the jump rings. So once both the chandelier links are ready with the hangings, next you can attach the stud to it. Here I have taken a stud that has 2 loops in it. You can also choose a single loop stud and see to that the eye pins are of same sizes. So now you can attach the studs to the chandelier link using these eye pins. So first open the eye pin and insert it into the chandelier link and tight it. To the other end of the eye pin, bend the eye pin to one side and then rebend it to the opposite side. Insert the stud loop into it and then tight the eye pin. Similarly, do it to the other side of the chandelier link. Similarly, complete the other piece of chandelier link. So, 3 designs of earrings using chandelier links have been completed. Hope you all liked the video. Give us a like and subscribe to the channel. For regular updates, press the bell icon. Thanks again for watching the video. Follow us in Insta and Facebook.